Hey everyone, Jim here, bringing you some breaking news from the social media world. Buckle up, because Meta just dropped a bombshell. Their brand new AI assistant, Meta AI, is officially live across all their major platforms. Imagine having a super smart friend readily available on all your favorite social media apps. That's exactly what Meta AI brings to the table. This AI assistant is designed to be your one-stop shop for information, tasks, and even a little creative fun. Stuck on a trivia question while scrolling through Instagram? Need to research a new restaurant on Facebook? No problem. Meta AI can access and process real-time information to answer your questions in a clear and concise way. Tired of switching between apps to get things done? Meta AI can help you complete tasks directly within the app you're using. Imagine scheduling a Facebook event or sending a quick WhatsApp message with just a few voice commands or text prompts. Feeling inspired? Unleash your inner artist with Meta AI's Imagine feature. Describe what you envision, and Meta AI will generate a unique image based on your description. You can describe anything: a cat riding a skateboard eating pizza? Why not? Meta AI is a game changer for social media. It's a cross-platform powerhouse, focusing on providing accurate information and sparking creativity. But what if Meta AI can't quite answer your question, or you need a deeper explanation from a real human expert? That's where Get Answers comes in. As a representative for Get Answers, I'm Jin. Get Answers is a platform where you can connect with a network of real experts in various fields. Need help with a complex legal question, a mind-boggling science problem, or even advice on the best pizza topping combinations? Get Answers has you covered. So, head over to your favorite Meta app and see what your new AI friend can do. Don't forget to share your thoughts and experiences with Meta AI and the future of social media. And if Meta AI leaves you wanting more in-depth answers, visit Get Answers to connect with real human experts who can provide the knowledge you seek.